What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. At this point in time, during my little edit, I'm not sure if you saw, the Civic is still on jack stands because we are trying to do something that should be easy and we're having a lot of trouble with. So pretty much I got this car and I failed inspection. I was doing my trailing around bushings. I showed you guys a little bit of it. And I'm currently making an entire video on how to actually do the trailing arm bushings, except I'm having an issue with one little bolt because it is so seized. I'm really taking this entire car as a learning experience because this is stuff I've never done before. This is the most intensive suspension work I've ever done, and it's not working out and it sucks. Not even gonna sugarcoat it, kinda sucks right now. So pretty much, I'll give you a little bit of background for people that know what I'm talking about. So when doing your trailing arm bushing, you have to take the arm as off as possible. You can leave it on the suspension to hang it down, but that's as far as like you really need to do it. But the one bolt that's really holding me back right now is in my toe arm because that's where you adjust your alignment right there. And on the driver's side, I did it because I just wanted to get it done, make sure the tools work, make sure I get everything done. And I did it relatively fast and easy. It took me some time until I got the actual tool, but until I got that tool, it was super dope because it was so easy to do. But on this side, I cannot get that bolt out at all. I've done everything and I don't even know what I was trying to say. I've been taking a lot of advice from people, and the last thing everyone's saying to do is grab a torch and torch the bolt so it gets red hot and just comes off. And that's what I'm gonna try to do today. I'm gonna try to record it, but I'm not sure if I can get the camera in any good angle to see that. But we're gonna try because I might make some cool footage. But this is one of those times that I've been recording this video for I think a week now because I cannot get this bolt done. And I got the car like this and it's stripped out a little bit, so it's a lot of work just to get it anywhere near what I need it to be. So I'm probably gonna have to replace the bolts if I ever get that bolt out. I'm waiting for special ratchets to get in or sockets rather, because they're supposed to hook onto it differently and make it better. But this video is really serving as an update video of why I haven't been making content in the last week, because I've been trying to get this bolt out. I have a video almost all the way done, but I can't get this one bolt out, and that is literally what's stopping me right now. So I'm trying my hardest to get this bolt, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing, and hopefully we can get it done today, but not. I have to wait for my ratchets to come, or my sockets to come in, and then hopefully it makes it a little bit easier to do. But if that doesn't do it, I might have to take him to a shop and be like, hey, can you like either extract this bolt or just like loosen it and then tighten it again so I can get it on my own? Because I don't think this bolt's been touched in like 20 years, and it's really showing. But hopefully this works and does the trick for us. I'm sorry for those terrible angles of recording. But I'm by myself and I'm just under a car and it's really hard to record yourself. But pretty much I just torch it until the bolt starts glowing, and then I throw my impact on it and then I start torquing at it, which I think this thing is supposed to be rated for like 1,000 pounds per square foot, which I don't know if I believe because that's a lot. It should still be enough to be able to break that bolt, and it's not, which is very strange to me. So a little backstory as well. I put a ratchet with a socket on it. I can't talk right now, I'm lightheaded, all that smoke is in my face. But pretty much I put the ratchet on there, I got my floor jack, I pumped it up, the car lifted off the ground while it was still on the bolt, which means the ratchet had like 2,000 pounds of like weight on it, and it still didn't break the bolt. So I'm not really sure what is going on with this thing. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try torching it one more time, just until it gets a little bit brighter, glowing red. And then I'm gonna try spraying WD-40 on it because I got told if it steams on there, that means it's hot, and it means that it should be getting in there. Not sure how true that is or if that's gonna work, but we're gonna try it because at this point, I don't know what else to try because I'm out of things to try. And it's unfortunate because that's literally the reason why I haven't had content, is because I can't get this bolt out, and it sucks. I already have coilovers picked out for the car that I wanna do as like my next thing, but we're kind of at a standstill right now because of this one bolt. So I'm you know, I'm staying optimistic. I'm not letting this really break me down that much. I do have some stuff to the BRZ I want to get done soon, which I will record. But just right now, it's just kind of unfortunate that one bolt really is holding us back that badly. So attempt 2 was another complete and utter failure, but I'm gonna let it cool down just for a second before I spray WD-40 on it, because that would be terrifying if that just kind of like exploded and this whole thing caught on fire, because this is very flammable stuff right here, and I don't want to have to like get a fire extinguisher and put the car out, because that'd be super, super, super unfortunate. But pretty much the entire method is you torch it until it's glowing hot. As soon as you've done torching it, you put an impact on it. You use your old ugga dugga, bam bam, and this thing is supposed to be like, and knock it right out. And unfortunately, this bolt is in there, very deep, and it ain't working as good as we were hoping. So I'm really lost, and if you guys have any advice on how to do it better than me, please share your advice, because I've been doing this for like 4 days now. This is my second day in a row torching it, so it should have expanded and contracted enough for it to like be easy. But unfortunately, it's not doing the thing. Very steamy down here. It's just crazy. I've never had a bolt this stubborn before. And I know it's because it's an old car, and I know it's probably rusted in, but this car's got some sketchy things going on with it. And my main concern is there looks like there was JB welds above that bolt. And my main concern is I'm afraid that the guy said I can't get this bolt back in or it won't stay in, and he JB welded it in. It doesn't look like it. I don't know why you would do that, but this car's got some weird things that I'm learning about, and I'm afraid that's one of them. I'm not sure. I think what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to wait a couple days, wait until my sockets come in. They should be here tomorrow. So hopefully I can finish the car or work on the car tomorrow, and hopefully that all works out for me. But if it doesn't, I'm going to have to take it to a shop so they can use their air tools and their expertise, and they can get the bolt, just break it loose and then retighten it for me, so I can like have a chance at getting it. Because right now this is absolutely insane. I got the other side out. Yeah, there was some issues, but it wasn't that bad. I got it out with my big ratchet or my big impact wrench with a swivel on it, so I couldn't even do full torque on it, and it came out without much issues. For some reason, this one just doesn't want to break at all, and it's really annoying. Even using this wrench with its little ding-dong attachment, it still doesn't want to go, and this wrench has gotten me through every situation possible. On the other side, I couldn't use my small one to break some bolts, but I used the big one. My right-hand man right here is failing on me. And also the battery is a little bit low, so the torque might be down if that's a thing. So I'm going to have to charge it. But you would think it would still work, and it's not, which sucks. But I'm still staying motivated, I'm still staying upbeat about it, because, you know, this is just a big learning experience. It's stuff I've never dealt with before, and now I'm putting more tools into my arsenal. So I think all in all, this kind of might be a good thing. If these tools work, then it's a good thing. If they don't work, well, I'll be kind of pissed, but at least I got new tools that help with like stripped and rounded off bolts, so that's always a plus. Also, because I know you guys want to hear some BRZ stuff, because I know you guys like my BRZ more than the Civic, I still have the front grille to my BRZ, and I'm considering painting it red or gloss black. If you guys think it's a good idea, please comment down below, because I kind of want to do something unique with it. I just don't really know what to do with it. If you guys have any advice at all about breaking this bolt though, I'll take anything. So pretty much the last resort would be to cut the bolt out, which I don't want to do, and I don't want to go through the trouble of it. I'm being completely honest. If it comes to that point, I make it a shop to do it, because that's something I just don't want to have to do. Cutting bolts doesn't sound like a fun thing. I've heard a lot about it, and it's not something I really want to learn, because I probably should learn how to do it. I just really don't want to. I have so many plans for this car, and the smallest, dumbest things are always holding us back. Now, I do have stickers for the car now, so it's like I could go without changing the bushing, but at the same time, I want to be safe, and I don't want to die. And I think that's me setting a good example for people that are watching, especially the younger crowd, because if you guys died because of something I did, that's no bueno. I'd feel guilt. So I'm gonna try my hardest. Worst case, I'm gonna drive it to a shop and be like, cut it or extract it, But first, I'm gonna tell them, be like, hey, can you just loosen it up? Just because I can't break it. If you just loosen it and retighten it, that'd be dope. Not sure if they'll do it. I'm not sure if it's possible, but give me the best idea. After I get these sockets in, I'm gonna probably end up doing that. I'm sorry for the lack of content. I'm just trying to focus so hard on this car and just getting it somewhat finished at all. And that's the one thing that's holding me back, because as soon as I get that done, I'm putting my order for my coilovers in. And the reason I haven't ordered my coilovers in yet is just because I don't know what's gonna happen. I might have to replace so much more things on here than I didn't anticipate doing. And I just want to make sure I get one thing done at a time before I start ordering parts and parts and parts, because I just don't know what's gonna happen with this car. I want to keep the car, I want to build the car. It's just dumb structural things from being a 22-year-old East Coast car that's really getting to me right now. We'll get there. It's just gonna take some time, so you guys gotta be patient with me. I am not doing this as a job. I don't get paid on YouTube. So like, I'm just like you guys. I make content that you guys like to watch, if that makes sense. So we're trying. I wanna get monetized one of these days. You guys should also buy my merch though. Always down in the links below is my merch. That supports me, because every dollar that you guys spend on my merch is gonna go right to the cars, right to my camera, everything related to this channel. I'm not keeping any of it for me. I just want everything back into it, filtered back in, so I can work on the cars, so I can just get better content for you guys and more content, because I just got a new job. So I'm trying to build cars and pay bills and do all that. So it is a tough struggle, and I'm not trying to be like, oh, give me money, but it helps. So if you guys could please buy my merch, that'd be super dope. Or just send all your friends to my channel so you guys can all like watch it, so I can get monetized and be getting money that way. I understand this video is probably dumb short, and it was probably dumb boring, but I want to have content out there for you guys. But if you guys like these like ranty videos of just stuff when I'm actually just working on the car and just trying to like do stuff, I can do more of these. It's more like a hangout sesh. Maybe I'll start calling these hangout sessions, because that's fun. But guys, I'm gonna leave you guys off here, so please do me a couple things. Comment, like, subscribe. Those 3 things are huge. If you guys could share the videos, that'd be super dope. I'm trying to get monetized. We have the subscriber count. We're growing every single day, which is incredibly awesome. We just need to get that watch time up there and that viewage up there, because I need to get a lot of you to keep watching. You guys just go back and watch all my videos, and then show all your friends on my videos. So I think if I have like 15 or 20 of you guys watch all my videos from start to finish, from my first video all the way to now, I'm pretty sure that would get me far above the threshold of where I need to be. And that's not that many. So a few dedicated people, if you guys could do that, you guys should do that. But comment, like, and subscribe, guys. Keep doing you. Stay motivated. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out and peace.